What's up, guys? We got Alex's 84 Tercel in here today. The car's a little bit down on power, but it's not terribly surprising because it's got over 320,000 miles on it right now. So we have an engine right here that we are currently in process of rebuilding, but we decided to split the cylinder head apart because some of these exhaust valves and the intake valves are a little bit gummed up. So we're going to bring this to a machine shop, have them deck the head like 10,000ths or so, see if they can get it all cleaned up really nice and shined up, and then we'll get that all slapped back together and get this engine back together. And then once this engine's together, it's going to go in this car. But we thought for fun, we'd just check the compression and see what she looks like so we can see what we're going to do with it, because it's definitely leaking a bit of oil. It's not terrible, but it's definitely leaving a little bit of puddles behind it. So yeah, let's run through it and check the compression and see how she's doing. Crank it up. You're good. What do you think it is?
I'm gonna say like 100.
It's 175.
Really?
Yeah, it's leaking a little bit down though. Looks like the gauge is slowly losing pressure, which may be that seal. Or ready again. You're good. What do you think for that one?
I'm still guessing low compression.
175.
Really? Surprising. Is it leaking though?
Yeah. Let me get this flipped around facing the camera. All right, give it a shot. You're good. This one's a little bit low. It's around 165.
Is it going down like the other one?
No. I mean, the difference between the two isn't that bad. I mean, It's not enough to raise concern, but it's definitely lower.
Yep.
Last one.
It's surprising though that it's got that high a compression for those.
Good shot. Got it. Little under 175. 170, like probably 173.
Very surprising.
Yeah, those are really good compression numbers, actually.
Especially for that many miles.
Yeah. Well, the compression numbers were a little bit of a surprise to us. They were about 175, really, across the board. So, really not bad. But she's definitely drippy. I can't really see because I don't got good light in here. But it leaves its mark where it goes. So, either way, it's coming out. It needs a clutch. We'll do a full reseal on it, and we'll probably just honestly leave this engine mostly together and just kind of clean it all off and give it a good degreasing and maybe some spray paint and throw a new set of gaskets on it, because you can see it's leaking in a few little spots. And then save that for another car. So thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully we'll have a video of you guys, or of us next week, for you guys, of us ripping the engine out of this car and swapping it with the other one. So catch you later.